Welcome to the complete SAP Security course. My name is JD and I am consultant specialized in SAP Security. Throughout this course, I will share the knowledge I have gained over the years working in business environments where security is not optional, it's critical. To begin, we must first understand the foundation of every ERP system, and more importantly, the system we are protecting. Because SAP is not just software where orders are created or scheduled. For many organizations, it is the system where almost all business operations take place. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a system that allows companies to integrate and manage their core business processes within a single platform, in this case, SAP. Instead of using multiple disconnected tools, everything works in a connected way. Without an ERP, companies often operate with hybrid systems, duplicate data, and many manual processes. This leads to errors, lack of visibility, and ultimately a loss of control over what is really happening in the business. An ERP connects virtually every area of the company: finance, sales, logistics, and human resources. All work with the same information. This creates something fundamental: a single reliable source of data for the entire organization. Let's look at a very simple example. When a customer makes a purchase, the order is recorded, the invoice is generated, payment is processed, and shipping is organized. Everything happens inside the ERP, and everything remains fully traceable. Now, imagine this same scenario without an ERP. An employee creates an order, but the inventory system is not up to date. Meanwhile, another salesperson sells the same product and completely depletes the stock without the first employee knowing. The order continues to move forward, and the customer is promised a delivery date, but the product is no longer available. Finance has not yet recorded the transaction, and logistics does not know the shipping must be prepared. The problem is only discovered when the customer asks about their order. The result: delays, errors, dissatisfied customers, and loss of trust. This is where an ERP makes the difference. Everyone works with the same information and processes are fully connected. That is why we say an ERP is a critical system. It manages money, sensitive data, and essential business processes. If this system fails, the impact on the company can be enormous. And if an ERP is this critical, it must be protected. Incorrect access can compromise information, enable fraud, or disrupt entire operations. This is where SAP Security comes in. In this course, you will learn how to protect one of the most important systems within any modern company. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.